Hello and welcome to an episode of Jimster586's Lock Shop. Haven't been on in a bit with any lock videos for you. So today's lock video, all it is a little view of the collection of best padlocks that I have. Best logo padlocks and so on. Some of these you may recognize, they've been filmed before. Like my, there we go, best Fisher Hamilton padlock. This one is already up on YouTube. I'm not really going to take the time to open all these and so on. I just wanted to show you kind of what I have. I know at the very least, Diesel Deuce, you'll find this interesting. You like such things. So there's my best Fisher Hamilton best logo padlock. Now we have some other ones. I have kind of a newer one. You can tell by the difference in the best logo. Still the old style logo though. Oops, trying to drop that one. There's that one for you. We can't even read that. I know the camera can, but I'm having a little trouble. I'm not quite awake yet this morning. The Sewage District padlock. So we have that one. And we have this one here, another best logo padlock, the old best logo. Climax Molybdenum. Another one for you. This one features the R keyway. As you can tell. Oh, no, actually you can't. These keys aren't stamped with the little R here. Never mind. Okay. We have that one. We have this one here. Another old style best. Standard Oil Company. This one, I don't know if the camera can see it, but the lettering is green on this. It has a green die-chem finish on it, which Best discontinued for cost-cutting measures. This has one of the best premium key system cores in it. Notice the thick, extra thick keys here. Try breaking one of these. So again, that's an older Best with the green die-chem on it. Standard Oil. And what else do we have for you? Oh, we have a red one. Oh, yep, the camera can definitely see that, I can tell. Another older Best. Holy Cross Electric this time. eBay is a beautiful thing. Another premium key system core with those extra thick Best keys. So again, there's another Best. Holy Cross Electric. Let's see, what else do we have? We've done that one, that one, that one, that one, that one. Now this lock is interesting. This is made out of, I believe it was Zarnak. This is an old World War II vintage Best padlock. It actually has, as I find it, the original numbers on it. The core is not original, but the lock certainly is. It does. I'm surprised it doesn't say Best on it somewhere. Either that or it's been worn off over the last few decades. There's just a standard A keyway Best core stuck in it. But this is a World War II vintage Best padlock. Even though, like I said, it doesn't say Best on the lock itself. Obviously the core does, but the lock doesn't say Best. It just has those numbers. So a small padlock with keys. Pardon me. And we have the new style Best padlock. This is the Best current logo now that Stanley owns them. Same on both sides. Similar to the one that Music Freak CC did, with his has the new Best logo on it. Except this one's not made out of aluminum. Give you kind of a view. See if I can. Oops, sorry about that. Get that so it'll work, so you can see down inside there. This lock doesn't have a throat member or a core in it, as you can see. That's the current Best logo, now that Stanley owns the company instead of the Best family. And one of my personal favorites, which I know Diesel Ducey enjoyed this one when I was down in Roanoke, he has the same exact cutaway. It's an old Best cutaway padlock, which I've done a demo of this on YouTube, so obviously I'm not going to demonstrate it now. Original A keyway core. Authentic Best keys. It is unlawful to duplicate this key. Well, we all know that's not true. And there's your keyway right there, in the old style. Later they started putting it about here, instead of here in the center. As I say, that's one Best, and that's, I don't know if you can see that or not, but this is in the green die chem. It's it's got a few dings and scratches on it, but perfectly working. Perfect working order. There, you can kind of see the individual pins inside the core. Sorry for the shadows there. Let's see if I can turn that for you. Ah, much better. I'm trying to use natural light instead of turning on the overhead. So there's that. And that's about it on Best padlocks. Try not to knock the camera over. I'm going to give you a quick pass, though, of my overflowing lock collection, minus, of course, my Best logo padlocks. Some of these you may recognize. US letterbox lock, courtesy of Diesel Ducey. This has been featured on YouTube. Same with this. This high security Best has been featured on YouTube. These two ASA 2 padlocks have been on YouTube. This giant Medico. This Sesame combination padlock. This Abloy cutaway padlock. Oops. And this Papes padlock has also been featured on YouTube. I've done a demo of these clear tubular locks. So this isn't the best quality. I should probably turn the overhead light on. There we go. Brighten things up a little bit. Both of these antique locks here have been on YouTube. I like these cutaway specials. That's what I like to put up for you. This cutaway M Heart, of course, has been on YouTube. This cutaway Schlag with multiple different keys has been on YouTube. So if you haven't caught them, I'll kind of give you an idea of what's there. This one here has been on YouTube also. Oh, what else do we have here? Another cutaway. It's just a standard rim lock, but it's a cutaway. It's antique US Navy push key lock. Has been featured on YouTube. Like I said, sorry, it's just not the best lighting setup, but I'm doing the best I can with what I have to work with here. I think that's about it. You know, more Best just plain new style padlocks. And of course, anyone who has watched my lock videos knows what this monster is. This is an entire mortise lock setup, just minus the door. Completely put together. different mortise cylinders and such, best cores, lots of stuff. This whole shelf is all mortise cylinders, except for these brand new Corbin Russwin large format padlocks. So there's those. Again, there's the second shelf. And this is the guts of my collection. I may have a couple of stray locks here and there, but that's about it. And with that, I'm over 10 minutes. So that's it. Enjoy.